Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Learning Center. In this session we are going to discuss noun gender, noun number and possessive case of noun. If you not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the notification of new videos. So let's start our session. First of all, noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of people, animal, places and things. Remember that the word things is refers to mean anything living or dead, visible or invisible we can think of. Then this will be called noun. Examples include name of persons, name of peoples, name of animals, name of things and name of states. Age, Ali, Ahmed, mosque, school, cow, camel, pen, table, richness, poverty, etc. Now kinds of noun. What are the kinds of noun? There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. First of all, proper noun. Proper noun are the nouns that are the particular names of people and places is called proper noun, or nouns that identifies a single entity is called proper noun. Examples: Mumtaz, Sadia, Khairpur, Karachi, Fez Mahal, etc. Note, proper nouns are always written with a capital letters. Proper nouns sometimes used as a common noun is Ali is the Newton of his time. Here Newton is a proper noun but it is used as a common noun. Now what is common noun? Common noun is the name of person, place, thing given in a common to all. Examples: man, city, book, boy, girl, etc. These all are the examples of common noun. Note, common nouns are capitalized when they come at the beginning of the sentence. As birds fly in the air. Here bird is a common noun but because of beginning in the sentence it is capitalized. Number 3 is a collective noun. Collective noun is the name of set or group of persons, people, places or things together. Examples: flock, herd, army, family, nation, committee, policy, etc. Now, number 4 is a material noun. Material noun is the name of matters or substance of which anything is prepared. Nouns from which anything is prepared is called material noun. Examples: gold, silver, iron, steel, cotton, etc. Abstract noun. It is the name of quality, state or actions. These are not detected by our 5 senses. Examples: honesty, bravery, darkness, brightness, judgment, hatred, laughter, poverty, sickness, childhood, slavery, etc. Remember that abstract nouns are found from adjectives as kindness from kind, from verbs as obedience from obey, and from common nouns as slavery from slave. Now the noun gender. Gender shows difference of sex. There are 4 kinds of gender in English. Number 1 is a masculine gender. Noun denoting a male animal. Noun denoting a male animal is called masculine gender. Examples: boy, horse, king, dog, etc. Now what is a feminine gender? Feminine gender denotes a female animal. It shows it is a female. Then that is the feminine gender. Example: girl, queen, lioness, etc. Number 3 is a common gender. Common gender, noun denoting an animal of either sex. An animal of either sex is called a common gender. Example: student, baby, friend, parent, cousin, orphan, etc. Number 4 is a neuter gender. Noun denoting a lifeless things. Noun denoting a lifeless things is called a neuter gender. Example: table, pen, book, knife, apple, etc. Now, ways of forming feminine of nouns. How to form a feminine of nouns? Number 1 is by using entirely different words as the feminine of bachelor is maid, the feminine of brother is sister, the feminine of cock is hen, and the feminine of block is heifer, etc. Number 2, by adding syllable es. Author, feminine is authoress, the feminine of giant is giantess, the feminine of poet is poetess, the feminine of line is lioness, etc. By adding es after dropping the vowel of masculine ending as actor, actress, prince, princess, The feminine of waiter is waitress, etc. Number 3, by adding ine, trixa, etc. is hero, heroine, administrator, administratrix, auxer, auxerina, etc. Number 4, by placing a word before or after is bakra, rabbit, feminine is do rabbit, he got, feminine is she got, and feminine of doctor is lady doctor, feminine of grandfather is grandmother, etc. Now, what should be remembered? That objects show strength and violence. This is not a violin, but this is a violence. Are always considered as masculine gender. As the sun is always considered as a masculine gender. The summer is also always considered as a masculine gender. The winter, the death, etc. These are always considered as a masculine gender. Number 2, the things or objects show beauty and gentleness, etc. are considered as a feminine gender. As the moon shows beauty, so it is considered as a feminine gender. Earth, spring, the ship, etc. are considered as a feminine gender. Remember that the country names are also considered as a feminine gender. Some important points about number. Nouns have singular and plural alike are given below as deer, dozen, fish, 100, news, spacecraft, etc. up to spacecraft, etc. These have singular and plural alike. Now, following nouns used in a plural form. Remember that these nouns are used as in a plural form as kettle, people, swine, scissors, pincers, spectacles up to the assets, chattels, etc. These are the nouns that are always used in a plural form. Now, following nouns are generally singular but used as a plural. These are used as a plural as aims, riches, is, etc. Now, the following nouns are used as a singular. As innings, mathematics, mechanics, physics, politics, civics. It means that these are used as a singular, so they will take a singular verb. Now, formation of possessive case. When noun is a singular, possessive case is found by adding apostrophe s, as boy's car, king's crown. Number 2, when noun is a plural and ends in s, the possessive case is found by adding only apostrophe, as the boys' school, the girls' hostel, the camel's grass, etc. Number 3, when noun is a plural but does not ends with a s, then the possessive case is found by apostrophe s. Example, man's club, children's novel, etc. Only the apostrophe without s is added if the noun contain too many hissing sounds, as for goodness sake, for conscience sake, etc. Now, use of possessive case. Possessive case mainly used with names of the living things, as the lion's mane, the minister's bodyguard, the king's palace, etc. The possessive case is not normally used with the name of lifeless things. The possessive case is not used with non-living things simply. As the legs of table is a right sentence, it cannot be the as a table's leg. It will be the wrong sentence. The cover of the book, it is a right. The book's cover is a wrong. The roof of the house, it is a right sentence, but the house roof will be a incorrect sentence. Now, the possessive case is often used with the names of personified objects, as nature's laws, fortune's favorites, eight duties call, etc. Also, possessive case also used with the nouns denoting time, space, and weight, as in year's time, a day's work, a stone's throw, a pound's weight, etc. The possessive of a pronoun denoting a trade, profession, or relationship can often be used to denote a building or a place of business, as she has gone to the baker's shop. Tonight we are dining at a Sims. Here Sims shows Sims house. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.